Okay, I'm here with Nick, and we're going to do some Lego sorting. We are trying to put together the Separatist Shuttle, 8036. And got most of the parts. I did a rough gathering. And so we'll go through and count them all up, make sure we got them exactly right.
And I'll take the guys apart. Well, you know we have all like the guys and stuff.
I think, yeah, the guys should be complete. So those are going to be easy to mark off. Although in the part list they're all separate, so.
So is this like the done pile?
Yeah, green is go, red is not go. So let's start at the top. We need blue 2x4, 1.
Here.
Okay.
You tell me the piece I need, then I'll find it for you.
We need 2 blue Technique pins.
Okay. Like these?
Yep.
Okay.
You can go ahead and put them in the green bin.
Okay.
And that's the body for the guard. We got all the characters in there, okay?
Yeah.
There's Newt, Anaconda, 2 droids. Oh, and their weapons, okay. Mark those when we get there. 2 light blue transparent dots. 3, yeah.
So I got all 3 of them?
Got all 3?
Yep.
Okay, mark
all
it
3.
up. And dark blue. The curved slope, like the little car piece. Like this. There's one. We need one more. I think they're both in here. There it is. You got it. Okay. 1, 2. 1x2 tiles. Still on dark blue.
Oh, 17. 1.
Gather them all up. You gather what you find. I'll gather what I find. We'll make a pile.
Okay. And then we'll count. And then I'll count all of them.
Yeah. Little tiles. Actually, I know what would make this easier. Let's see what we got.
This is black.
Oh. Oops. Good eyes. There's the other black one. Set that aside. We'll need tiles. I know what we'll do. How many do we have? 2?
Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
18. We got an extra. Okay. I'll set that aside. There will be extra pieces in here because I just grabbed stuff. So go ahead and in there. I am going to take out some big parts out of color order. I'll get these 2 cockpits done. That way they're not in our way. We know. Get those 2 guys. They're on the next page. Yep. One of those. One of those. Done. What else is big? These things. Got all the right stickers on them. Right here. 2 of those. 2 of those. Okay. Let's get back to dark blue. And so we got the tiles. 17.
Okay. I bet
2
there's
each
2
of
each
those.
side.
Right, here's one.
There.
Okay. And now 1x1 plates. 6 of them. There's 1, 2.
This color?
Yep. 3.
4.
Are they all in there? Oh, there's 1, 5, 6.
Just 1 more?
Awesome.
Okay.
And now 1x4 dark blue plates. How many we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect. 4 of the little yellow Technique guys. Oh, we got an extra. Extra.
Extra.
4. Tan. Need 4 of the little half gears.
And I've got them. Oh, and we have an extra.
Extra of that? Okay. Set it aside. 1 by 2. And I'll get the...
This color?
Yep. I'll get these 2 by 2s with the pin. You got 2 of those. Okay. Done. And done. The arms. Oh, did we check? Straight, bent. Straight, bent. Okay.
And Dad.
And bodies and heads and legs.
And Dad got those, and here's an extra
And
one.
an extra one. Extra.
And I got those.
Okay, the one white piece, or there's 2 of them, I guess. 2, got them.
Done.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Torso, head, yellow dots.
1,
Transparent yellow dots.
2, 3, 4. I got them.
Got them? Perfect.
Okay. Is it this?
Black. We're looking for the bars.
Oh.
4 length bar, I got them. 2. And then the axle pins.
I know, I just saw them. Like these?
Yeah, the cross-shaped ones. You got one? 1, 2. And then 7 black 1 by 2s.
1 by 2.
Wait, that's profile.
This?
What are we looking at here? Oh, that's with it's the Technique block with the holes in it. Oh,
I got 2.
4.
Oh.
Yeah, it's hard to tell when you print some of these things. That's the Erling brick, the one with the dots on the sides. So I got
thought you meant like this
That's-
one with the hole
Yeah,
in it.
that's down below.
Oh, like this one?
Yep.
Well, I got 2 of them.
So, okay, go ahead. Mark them. And
I'll just look random. I'll just
I think
that.
let me look at that closer.
Are those the
I
ones
think we just
with
need
the
one
holes?
of those. Yep.
Okay. Here's the next
Oh, an extra. See, yeah, here we go. We need 2 of these. That's the profile one.
This?
That's the Technique one. 2 of those and 1 of the other. You got 3 of those? There's one.
Oh. And we already got the blasters.
Blasters. And
This?
1 by 2 with a bar. Yep.
Oh.
Done. Okay, that's, yeah, what is that, 1 by 6? Oh, reddish brown. It's 1
brown what?
tile.
Oh.
Where's the other one?
I found it.
Oh, we need 3? Oh, extra. See, I just kind of grabbed. That's why we're counting.
Okay.
2 by 2 tile.
1 more.
Got it. Torso, legs, head.
Face. Okay.
1 by 1 with a vertical bar.
How many? 2?
2. Okay. A little ratchet.
I know, I just saw it.
Oh,
It's
some
connected.
of this, is it? No. Yeah, that's it.
Right here.
Here, let's mark all, this one's still connected too, so let's mark those whole assemblies. We got 2 of those, and the other parts are
And
dark.
should I take these apart?
If you want to.
Okay.
And the dark gray. And, yep.
Wait.
No. Is it? That's the part, but we need 2 more of those. They're used somewhere else. That's why. Da, da, da.
I guess that's
Okay,
about
here we
it.
go. Grab that.
So Dad, I guess that wasn't the piece. I guess
not the one
that was. That was the piece. That was the piece.
Did you have me mark something wrong over here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is the one that has the hole, not the grip.
Well,
This
here's the
guy.
hole.
This guy. So we need 2 of those. Okay, we already marked those. Now we're getting confused.
We just need one more of these.
Yeah, set those aside.
I like if I accidentally put them in here. Nope, I didn't put them in here.
Okay, this is the part that's going to go with it. So we might come up, maybe that's what we're missing. That one we might not have to dig further for that one. That's why we're counting. Okay, let's see what we do have. Let's set this aside and move on. We'll come back to those. I won't mark them.
Okay.
This one we did get. We need 2 of the light gray bars. Here's another one of these. Oh, there. That's probably it right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just man it. This thing and this thing. Light gray. Okay. Are you doing 1x2s?
Yeah. And I got all of them.
Awesome. Okay, into the box. Oh, we'll forget.
And these two.
And you got 2 of 1x3s, 2x2 with the ratchet.
Got them.
Okay. The 1x4 curve.
Here's one,
Here's one.
2.
Need
Oh,
2
4.
more. There, yeah. And, huh?
Here.
We have it? Oh, perfect. So far, so good. The little figure plate stand. Okay, I think that's
Yeah, we got this side done.
page 1. Because that, we found 2 of those. That's the second page.
Okay, I'll look for these. You can look for something else.
Okay. Done 1,
Okay.
2. It's right next to it.
Here's
Into
these.
there. Okay, when you
I'm
find...
looking for the 2x2 inverted ramp.
Okay. Need 8 of them.
I know.
Okay. I'll do these.
I got 7. Okay, 8. I got 8 of those
Oh,
converted
hiding.
ramps.
Okay. One of these, one of these.
Oh, and here's an extra one.
Oh, and an extra.
And 2 of these.
Okay.
And okay,
Wow. You're good, Nick.
I know. Here's 5 of these. We've got 5 of these.
Okay.
And I got 1 of these.
Okay. Light gray 1x4 tile. There's one.
I need
You have 4, you need 1 more.
here.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm looking for that.
Oh, I was
Got
gonna...
it.
Let me mark this. And you're on that. Put those in.
Okay,
2x6.
done. And I think these are those. And
1x10. Yep.
And I think these are 2 extras.
Oh, 2 extras. Okay. I probably pulled that twice. Oh, and
Here's that.
you had 2 of these?
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh yeah, so we have an extra of that. Okay. And 1 of those.
Okay, I
little-
look for the pole.
Little panels.
Pole's done.
Pole. cheese. Need 4 cheese.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cheese.
4 cheese.
4 cheese. 4 cheese.
The swivel top, go ahead and pull. It's probably still there.
You want me to pull it apart?
No, I'll just mark it.
Okay.
At the bottom of it's over. Where? There. That's the whole swivel. 8 jumpers.
Okay, I'll look for those. 1,
Okay.
2,
I'll get these
3,
guys. 1, 2. How many do I
4,
need? 3?
5, 6,
Oh, and an extra.
7, 8.
4.
Extra.
Okay, just in that pile.
Wait.
So 1, 2, 3 of those.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, extra.
Perfect. Now let's do these. So 4 of the light gray.
Here's this piece.
That one's done. That's all by itself. And then there should be 2 with the 1x2s. Yep, those are done.
And these.
Yeah, now those.
Those are all done.
I don't know. That one is the one I think we got.
I saw 3.
Yeah, there's 3. That's the one we got confused on.
No, it was these.
Yeah, I know, but because it was attached to the one that we thought we only needed 2 of those. So I think, let's see if there's another one. I don't see it.
Okay, I'll pull them out.
Yeah, pull those out. We may not have all those. We got ourselves confused on that count.
Yeah, we got 4 things.
Okay.
I just saw them like right there.
Yeah, you can put those in.
Yeah.
Did we mark? Yeah, we marked those already. I thought you had already put those in. Put those jumpers in, because I marked them.
Oh.
Moving on to dark gray.
Yeah, here are these.
Okay.
And we need 6 of those.
I'll
1,
get the tiles.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, the gears. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5,
Gears.
6. Okay. I got 6
Oh,
of these.
that's his hat. That's Newt's hat.
I got these.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I got these.
4 or 5? That says 5.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay. And I got those.
1x8. These.
Yeah.
Got them.
And I got that.
Bridge.
I got that. Wow, I'm really good.
Should be getting easy now because they're getting down to the
1,
bottom. One of these.
2, 3, 4. Extra. Then
Okay.
I have an extra
And
one.
an
of
extra.
these.
Okay.
Boom. Okay, I look for those. Done. 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 Those are done.
Okay. 1x2 inverted. Okay.
Oh, I was just looking for those.
Got them.
I was looking for that.
2x8.
Dun, dun. Here's. Oh, never mind. Oh,
The little ones, the 1x3s.
there. I got,
Got them. 4.
Got 4. Okay. 1.
2x2 invert. Yep, that's what you got them. Double concave inverted. 2x4 plate.
This.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We already. Oh, these are extras.
8.
An extra cheese.
Extra.
Okay. What's that 1x2 tile, black tile doing it? Oh, that was probably.
Wait.
We didn't need it.
Heavy. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe you thought that that
Dark blue.
so I got.
Okay, mark them. Are we done?
I think so.
Oh, except for this. We need to
Oh,
find.
yeah.
We need to
One more.
find one more dark gray. Okay.
Yeah, I got the
And-
piece. I got the piece. You did it. I got the piece.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Okay.
Okay, we can do this set.
That was that one. So we are
All done with this set.
100% complete. Make sure. Awesome.
New Star Wars building next video.
Yes.
Awesome.